Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on YBS Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ybs.co.uk/mortgages and press enter. You will now be taken into the Yorkshire Building Society mortgage account. Go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your customer number or your username within the customer number and username box. You can then type in your date of birth underneath within the date of birth section and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password in the next screen and then proceed forward with the login button and you will be logged in to your YBS Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the having trouble logging in button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on YBS Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.